see a hymn in a dream. The stars are bleeding and the heavens turn. The void pulls me down, the stars spin me round. Free falling through the sky, but I won't burn. Yeah, and I'll keep rising with the heart of a lion, 'cause I am invincible.
Can officially say, let the celebration begin.
Unchangeable, unstoppable. I am so invincible. I am invincible, unbreakable, invincible. I am unchangeable, unstoppable.
Meaningful. Yun siguro yung sasabihin ko. Very meaningful yung journey ko sa anak ko. Kasi I can see the future na sana maging, yung future niya na kung ano yung pinapangarap namin sa kanya, yun yung mangyari sa kanya.
Unchangeable, unstoppable. I am so invincible.
Happy birthday, Rishan! Pwede na tayo mag-party!
Happy birthday, Rishan! For you, lulusong kami sa baha!
Very happy as her father.
I mean, it's mixed emotions eh. Happy at the same time, kinabahan ako. Sabi ko, shucks, babae to. Paano ko siya palalakihin?
There's nothing in our way.
Since 18 ka na, pwede ka na magulo!
Ano, bawal ka pa rin mag-jowa.
Oo nga, bawal mo rin mag-jowa.
Watching it all come together, beauty taking shape. Oh, beauty taking shape.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Rishan! We love you!
Between us, you and I, we got everything, so don't let.
So ngayon, na 18 ka na, sana you always pick the right choices and good decisions. And now na 18 ka na, masasama na kita sa mga party sa Manila.
The story of our life.
Dalawa lang kasi sila magkapatid. So I want them to become, kumbaga maging unite sila as brother and sister. I think ayun ang pinaka gusto kong maging advice sa kanya. Yung family ties niya, hindi lang sa amin, pati sa brother niya. Importante sa amin yun.
Right here between us, you and I, we got everything, so don't let go. Run with the morning, all we know. This could be the story of our life. The story of our life. Oh, the story of our
Taurus, binili namin yung new era kasi alam namin yung chapter mo na to para mag-shine ka.
Ayaw kita makitang sad. Gusto ko makita din kitang happy sa birthday mo. Kaya, I love you so much.
I hope you stay kind, happy, healthy, and true to yourself.
Oh, there's nothing in our way. We got all this time right here between us. You and I, we got everything. So don't let go. Run with the morning. All
For you to be happy, for you to be successful, ang sabi ng lola mo, makinig ka sa amin. Yun yun. Mahalin mo yung mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Mahalin mo yung pamilya mo. Yung tunay na nagmamahal sa'yo at nag-aalala sa'yo.